Hey, welcome back. Starting a new piece. Immediately decided I had the wrong rectangle. Um, so that was slicing it off, and that was getting the ratio of the original painting that this is inspired by. I'll show you that later, but it's a Vouliard, Man Sitting Reading, I think is the title. Sorry for the little jump there. I thought I had recorded. But so laying out and sort of changing what's happening in the painting to modernize, contemporize. But I've always enjoyed this guy's purple pajamas. So that's kind of the starting point. Him reading the newspaper. But what's happening behind and around? And it's sort of Vouliard makes this painting dominantly about the man. Everything else is secondary. So, of course, I've been changing my mind a lot as I go along here. Adding the back of the chair. So back in again, now trying to lay in some of these purple pajamas. And I'm still vacillating. I haven't decided if I'm going to leave him in the analog world or switch him over to reading the paper on an iPad or something. So I've got to decide about that. But now, sort of trying, in the original, you'll see a very dark background, and it's actually women sewing, but they're lit by this window above the woman whose back is to us. But I thought I'd try to use the computer screen as a light source. So far, I don't think I've succeeded with that. As I said when I posted on Instagram, yeah, you can find me over on Instagram. I think I'm Art of Cycling over there. But it's been a rough start for this piece. It's been in my head a long time, and I'm not sure where it's going. What do you all think? Am I on the right route? I really haven't decided. So here I thought I'd give you a chance to get a little walk in close. And of course I do, would love to know what you think and where this piece is going. In the original, there's this dark, unintelligible blob, so I thought I'd turn that into our old dog Edgar. And the woman here, and we see her legs, her arm is completed. I feel pretty good about her cup of coffee. And her friend looking at her is like, I like this interaction between these two people. I'm not sure chromatically where I'm at. I'm working on the chairs and sort of that wall in relationship to our young man, old man. I haven't decided. I think he's middle-aged in the original. I don't know if this might become a portrait. And just sort of, showing you the texture of that green wall that I laid in. And sort of, I've kind of rediscovered losing the specificity that had been developing in my work, going back to my more original. But of course, I hope you all will subscribe so you get to see this painting as it comes to fruition. Love to know what you think of where we are now. And as always, I appreciate you taking the time to watch. So, and you can find me on my website, greigleach.com. There'll be a link in the description. So thank you all so much. Oh, I forgot. I am going to show you the original, and I've looked at this painting a lot. So it's at the VMFA, interior with a man reading. So that's a little sneak peek of where I started from. Thank you all.